Hello, and welcome to the Mechanical Engineering program at NUS. My name is Christina Lim, and in the next 15 minutes or so, I would like to tell you more about our curriculum and the unique opportunities we offer. First, let's start by asking, what is mechanical engineering? As a mechanical engineering graduate, what is it that you actually do in your future job? Mechanical engineers are involved in the analysis and design of objects that carry loads or experience forces. An everyday example is your mobile phone. The external housing, the touch screen, the camera, and even the vibrations you feel were designed by mechanical engineers. Another example is an exoskeleton that helps to carry and distribute loads. In some cases, such exoskeletons can even help some paralytics walk again. Of course, mechanical engineers also analyze and design much more complex systems. Aeronautical engineering is a subfield of mechanical engineering, and the majority of systems in an aircraft are designed by mechanical engineers. Another area where mechanical engineers are increasingly in demand lies in automation and robotics. One area in mechanical engineering that you might not have known about is energy. In this era of climate change, mechanical engineers are at the forefront of addressing urgent issues with our expertise in renewable energy, energy efficiency, and the management of cooling systems. Finally, mechanical engineers also manufacture the products we design. Mechanical engineers are responsible for picking the most suitable materials as well as manufacturing techniques to bring our designs into reality. As you can see, mechanical engineers have a very broad and versatile skill set that is applicable just about anywhere in the modern economy. And your skills will always be in demand as long as we humans live in the physical world. So, what exactly would you be studying in mechanical engineering that makes you so versatile? And how does NUS give you an edge in your studies? You might have already heard from other talks that our curriculum consists of 40 courses, typically read over 4 years. There are 10 courses prescribed by NUS and the college that are common to all students of the College of Design and Engineering, regardless of which discipline you will be in. We have recently expanded the mechanical engineering content to 20 courses. This allows us to cover more technical subjects. But we have kept the final 10 courses as unrestricted. This flexibility is unique to NUS and allows you the freedom to choose a specialization, a second major, or a minor to suit your interests and career aspirations. But more about that later. First, let's take a closer look at the courses within the mechanical engineering major. If you come from a JC or IB school, some of these subjects might seem unfamiliar, but they actually build upon what you have already learned in math and physics. For example, our mathematics courses cover material similar to what was in your mathematics and further mathematics syllabus. And several of our other courses are related to physics, in particular to the Newtonian physics, waves and oscillations, as well as thermophysics. If you did not read physics at A levels, not to worry, you can still study mechanical engineering because you will be able to read a physics bridging course to level you up. The 4-year curriculum applies to our JC and IB students, but half of our mechanical engineering undergraduates actually come from polytechnics. If you're a poly student with a diploma in a related field, you will be given advanced placement credits. Basically, this exempts you from certain courses. These exemptions come from all 3 components of our curriculum. In the common curriculum, you are exempted from courses on prototyping and design thinking because you would already have done similar courses in your poly. You would also be exempted from the compulsory internship since many of you would also have had internship experience in the past. If you still wish to take up an internship anyway, you can use your unrestricted electives to do just that. Finally, you would only need to fulfill 5 unrestricted electives. These exemptions add up to 9.5 courses or roughly 1 year's worth of study, so poly students can enter directly into year 2, allowing you to complete your degree in 3 years. More importantly, you do not miss out on any critical foundational courses. Your timetable just looks slightly different from those of your classmates in the 4-year program. One of the most exciting and unique aspects of studying in the College of Design and Engineering at NUS is having the 10 unrestricted electives, which allows you to tailor your education to suit your interests and career aspirations. If you would like to dive deeper into a subfield of mechanical engineering, you could use your unrestricted electives for 1 or even 2 of our specialization. Each specialization is the equivalent of 5 courses, which comes in the form of technical electives, while a couple of them also offers projects. We have 4 specializations, from the very popular aeronautical engineering to energy and sustainability, which addresses climate change. We also have 2 other areas which are seeing a lot of growth in industry, namely robotics and Industry 4.0. You can choose a specialization during our application or pick one later after you have entered NUSME. There is no quota on the specializations where you apply now or later. Apart from mechanical engineering specializations, you can also use your unrestricted electives to branch out to complementary areas within engineering or outside of engineering through minors and second majors. A minor requires you to read 4 courses, while a second major would need 10 courses. There are over 80 minors and 40 second majors available, so you are sure to find something that suits you. Well, do note for poly students, you only need to read 5 unrestricted electives, so completing a second major would require you to read an extra 5 courses. Our poly students choose to overload by 1 course per semester or just extend their studies by 1 semester. You can mix and match electives, specializations, minors, and second majors to build a skill set that is unique to you. For example, if you're interested in working in the aerospace industry, you could take up our aeronautical engineering specialization and either further mechanical engineering electives or even a second specialization in robotics. And here are further examples of how you can build a degree that is just for you. However you choose to build your degree, there's always a demand for your skills as a mechanical engineering major. Here are some jobs that have been advertised by some top companies in recent years. You can see they cover all the major areas in mechanical engineering and then some. Depending on your interest, you will definitely be able to find a job in an area that suits you. At this point, you might be wondering, is mechanical engineering for you? To help with your decision, I've put together a little questionnaire. First, you need to be able to handle mathematics. You don't need to be very good at it, but you need to be able to use mathematical tools to solve problems. And if you are someone who is fascinated by how things work, especially things that you can see and touch, then mechanical engineering might just be for you. Mechanical engineering will help you develop a set of versatile skills that will open up a wide range of careers, and your skills will always be in demand in a physical world. Why come to NUS then, if you have decided to do mechanical engineering? Well, I've already shown that we have a very flexible curriculum that allows you to build your own unique skill set. Furthermore, we are also very flexible in terms of allowing you to switch majors, specializations, second majors, and minors. There is no penalty for any of these switches. We also have a grade-free system, so that you will be able to waive your grades after the results are out. This allows you to try out many of the courses that might be of interest to you, but you're not very sure you would be able to do well in. NUS is unique in offering this kind of system where you can decide to waive your grade after the results have come out. Finally, the large NUS ecosystem offers you a large variety of courses and a very vibrant student life with many facilities. To top it all, mechanical engineering has the largest number of exchange partners among engineering majors, such as in Oxford, Cambridge, Imperial College, and UC Berkeley. NUS also offers the NUS Overseas College Program at over 20 locations worldwide where you can hone your entrepreneurial skills for a semester or two. If you want to know more, do visit our mechanical engineering website as well as our admissions microsite. We hope to see you on campus very soon. Bye-bye.